What up, guys? What up, guys? It's your boy King Jaffe Joe 413, back with another one.
I see you haters What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always, you know what I'm saying? You already can see I got a smile on my face, you know what I'm saying? Because we dropping another first for you guys, you know what I'm saying? Some people might have heard of it, you know what I'm saying? Trying to drop hints in my freaking comments on Instagram, but I ain't say nothing. but, yo, this product right here, where the hell is my key? Did I take it off? This boy, I don't know if this boy took my key off of this shit. I think this boy that lost my key. Is that one of your fears, losing your key? Oh my God, let me tell you a story. So I had 2 keys. When I got my bike, I was lucky. I got 2 keys. I know some of you guys only get 1 key. I got 2 keys, you know what I'm saying? Some of us get 2 keys. I don't know why it's like that, but it happens. But either way, I lost my key. I had 1 key. I'm down to 1 key. I was down to 1 key because I lost one of my keys. Getting nervous. I rode down by the street with my son, had him on my bike. Guess what happened? He kicked the key out the bike, and I had 0 keys. And then you know what we do? We riding, and you know what he do? Always touching stuff. He turned the bike off. We was in the field over there, kicked my key out, and then turned the bike off. So I had to walk all the way back here, bring him home, then had to walk all the way back and find my key. True story, this really happened. A couple days later, guess what happened? Somebody hit me up like I came out with this new product, you know what I'm saying? So you don't never lose your key. Never lose your key. Or if you do lose your key, you're gonna lose it, you might lose it. But what you could do is you don't gotta tow your bike all the way to the dealer and get your bike, have them reprogram your key. I got an app, my man's hit me up. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see it on this. Dooplicator. It's the Dooplicator, you know what I'm saying? Dooplicator, you know what I'm saying? So what you do is you download this app for free. Like right now. I want you guys to download this app right now. Pause the video, whatever you gotta do, download this app right now. And what you do is you scan your phone with the key. You put your phone next to it. It has NFC. Phones have NFC, so if you can scan your phone on a place and pay for something, you can do this with your phone. So what you're gonna do is scan your key. It's gonna save the programming from your key onto your phone. It's gonna give it to the database, wherever it is. I don't even know where it is, but either way, you don't gotta worry about losing your key no more. And what you can do is you can go right on there on this app. It has order key. You can order a key. So what you can do is order a key, a factory key, or you can order a duplicator key. And that's what I have here. Has a little magnet on the back. You can stick it on your refrigerator. It's not something that's super strong, the magnet, where you can stick it on your bike. Like, oh, I got a magnet, stick it on my bike so I can find it. But nah, it's, you know what I'm saying? Put it somewhere safe. Stick it on the side of your car. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you want to do with it. But what you can do with this key is, now that you have it, even if you don't have it yet, and you just lost your key, you can order it right through the app and order yourself a key. Give them about a week, key at your house. What you're gonna do is, you're gonna take the key over to your bike. What it's not gonna do is, what it doesn't do is, it doesn't stick on here and stay. Oh yeah, it does, my bad. I was just joking with you guys. But what it's gonna do is, it's gonna start your bike up. That's what it's gonna do. That's what it's gonna do. You know what I'm saying? So now, you like, what? I ain't gotta go to the dealership, I ain't gotta pay $90 to get my bike towed to the dealership and then pay them $150 to program in your key and then only give me a key again. You know what I'm saying? No, you're gonna hit up Dooplicator. You're gonna purchase this. I'm just saying, I'm gonna tell you what the price is right now while I'm telling y'all this video. Right now, this right here is $55. So $55, you're gonna order this. I don't know, the price might go up. Once this video drops, I know what my videos do. It bring the customers in, so the price might go up. You know how the price goes with demand, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so, but either way, you're gonna get you a key. You got your duplicator key. You ain't gotta worry about doing all that fuss. You can get one now. You know what I'm saying? As long as it's scanned to your phone, you don't even have to worry about having to buy buying this right now. You just want to download the app and scan it to your phone right now. So if you do lose your key, that file is always saved and you always can order the key. It's like the best thing ever, yo. Like, you know what I'm saying? I heard people saying like they do this for other bikes and stuff like that. Yo, guess what? That video's done. We done. Yo, King Jaffe Joe, make sure 413.com, get yourself some merch. Hit that like button, hit that thanks button. Send me $2 because I just brought y'all a new product that's gonna save your life. All right, guys. to the next one. Peace.